Huh. I mean, like I said, I don't know. I mean, it's failing somehow, and I don't know if it's, obviously your fabric is gone.
Yep.
It had some, but it's not there now. And then obviously the dirt's going away, so it's failing down there. I don't know if the verticals ain't in the dirt far enough. It could be where the boards is rotted down below the water line. But all honesty, the framing seems pretty sturdy.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, this may be something you just put top boards on.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
the frame seems to be pretty sturdy. It's just these decker boards are extremely old.
If we're gonna go centered with the house. Yeah, we'd be right here then. Keep this and go to the side of it. Go 12 feet in, right? 10 feet out. 22 total. Yeah. Let's plan on that then. Let us know.
Get with me on what kind of design plan you want.
Okay.
Exactly what size.
Yep. I got to
Start
send
putting
something
some
over.
numbers together for you.
Okay.
You're gonna be mad.
What?
You got excited.
What?
That has to be lower. It's not supposed to be that tall. Second one supports the header.
Oh, I know. I thought that was the first one. Shit.
Huh.
Alright then. I thought that was the main. Can we do room for another one over or no? You don't do it. First tape measure.
Yeah, that'll store. What? Oh, because we're gonna take a half inch.
Four and a half. No. Okay. Just keep it. False. Oops. That looks right there. Here.
Yeah. Also, if the plumbing was on this wall, you'd hear it from the dining room. You'd hear the water noise.
Sure.
See what I'm on that wall.
That's true. Okay.
We ran into a problem today with the HVAC. The unit's pretty large, so we have to move the wall to butt up against it, so there was no dead space. So in turn, all the rooms are kind of being shifted the 2 feet, and with that, we are running straight into the middle of the old plumbing for the kitchen sink and a window. So we're gonna need a plumber to come move that so our wall can go in, and the window will have to be framed in before we can finish framing up the room.
So what we've done so far, we had the 2 bedrooms here. So that's the middle wall. We took this completely out. It is not a load-bearing wall. We thought it was. We're in the attic. We saw we were all on trusses from load-bearing walls outside to outside. So we have no middle load-bearing wall, which is great. It saves us a lot of money actually. And so we took that out. It's now the master bedroom. We still have to put the master closet, walk-in closet over there. Over here we have going to be the master bath door. So as you can see here, this was the door. We framed this in into the cupboard, and then we'll put the door over here. And we're actually gonna put a nice barn door sliding right here. So it'll be kind of nice. And then we're gonna switch the whole bathroom inside there, from the shower on this side and toilet on the other side. Okay. Coming through the hall then, we just framed this out. So this is the new laundry room. Before they actually did laundry, you guys remember the laundry was in the kitchen. Wasn't ideal at all, of course. So we put this in. We have a nice laundry room here. We had the HVAC return in the way. We thought about taking it out. It's gonna cost a lot more money than we thought. So we ended up keeping it here. We're gonna put a table over it and actually an ironing board right next to it, kind of hide it. It'll work just fine. Then with the laundry room here and here, or new side by side here, not sure where. Coming from there then, and if you guys remember, this was the kitchen, of course. And now here is going to be the bathroom. There's a lot of plumbing stuff to deal with right now, so we're going to leave this for now. Get the plumber in, take a look at that. This will be the second bathroom on the first floor then. So besides that, then if you come over here, actually look at the fireplace. Was the fireplace, you know, the brick down. A lot of it actually we used for a walkway on the other house we have, which is kind of nice. We use that. For the most part then, not sure what to do with that. We might put that in the garage, not sure. Or find a place in the house because they're actually very expensive, pretty nice wood burning stoves. And that is it so far.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions on what we could do, comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.